trucks go vroom and crash through giant puddles, splish, splash, with massive wheels and growly sound. They shake and rumble all the ground. They jump off ramps and fly up high, touch fluffy clouds up in the sky. They land with a boom and shake the crowd. The engines roar so strong and loud. They squash old cars, smash, kapow! Did you see that jump just now? They spin and wiggle left and right, zooming fast with pure delight. When day is done and stars appear, the monster trucks all park right here. They rest their tires, dreams run deep of muddy jumps while fast asleep.